Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can get more clients with Jobber. In order to do so, we are at getjobber.com. And if you're unfamiliar with Jobber, Jobber is a platform that is created to help business owners basically get an edge in terms of scheduling and getting quotes and various things related to dealing with clients that is really going to help you to be able to grow your business. If you're a small business and you're just starting out, Jobber might be a good solution for you. So let's take a look at the website here and get an idea for what to expect with Jobber. First of all, there is a free trial that you can try. Let's go ahead and click Start Free Trial. And here you can see that you can start a free trial with your email and password, creating a password, or you can start with Google or with Apple. Let's take a look here just at the main site and get an idea for everything that Jobber has to offer. So we can send impressive quotes that turn leads into paying customers fast. You get more jobs done right, powerful automations, and complete control of your operations. You can manage appointments, as you can see here. You can help customers find you with insightful, easy to use marketing tools that bring in new and repeat business. So you can create an email campaign, you can run your business better with the number one home service software. So just gives you somewhat of an idea of what Jobber offers. This is a look at the desktop here, the dashboard rather, and it is a place where you can schedule, you can have a client list, you can manage quotes and invoices, marketing, timesheets. If you have employees, then Jobber is a place where you can create timesheets. It is really a quite powerful platform and really great for a variety of industries depending on what it is that you need it to do. So start a free trial. You can click on that. Let's just take a look at some of the other options here. So Jobber is always on, so you don't have to be. You can win more jobs by making it easy for customers to choose you over the competition with professional quotes that they can quickly approve online. So you can set the right price, sell more premium services and add ons, and get Jobber to automatically follow up so you never have to miss an opportunity. So that is really the power of Jobber. It's a way of having your back end set up so that way you don't have to be constantly checking on clients, and Jobber does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. We'll just take a look here so we can help customers find you by automating review requests, online requests and bookings, email campaigns, all of the above. So that just gives you an idea of what Jobber is capable of. You can even manage quotes. So if you have a client and you need to collect payment, Jobber can help you collect payments as well. So it really is quite powerful and it is a really great tool for new businesses. So you can see here that we have various things we can take a look at here. There's client managers. We can keep track of important client details, whether you're at the office or out in the field. Scheduling and dispatching, flexible real time scheduling that gets your team to the right place at the right time. Invoicing and follow ups, professional templates, batch invoice, send auto calendar reminders. Mobile apps. So this is really key. If you're somebody who spends a lot of time on your phone and you want a place where you can be able to manage your business from your phone, then you can have the desktop version, you can have the mobile app, and you can have your employees with the apps as well. It's a really good place, a really good way of being able to manage schedules, things of that sort. So we have here online booking. Let customers book work with you online, and Jobber will automatically schedule the job based on your preferences. Client Hub. Clients can approve quotes, visit details, pay invoices, print receipts, or request work. So that's very powerful. Customer communication. Set automated updates as work progresses via text messages in your CRM. Job forms. Build custom forms and checklists that you can share with your team and customers. quoting and follow-ups, customize templates, get signature approvals, and send automated calendar reminders. Credit card processing. Customers can pay invoices using any major credit card. So that is really key. If you are somebody who maybe has trouble collecting payments, then maybe you can let Jobber do a lot of the heavy lifting for you in that regard, and that is something that can be very useful. Reporting. With over 20 built-in reports, you'll know exactly how your business is doing. Marketing tools. Attract more business by getting 5-star reviews and by running easy email marketing campaigns. They even offer some AI tools to improve your workflows and provide business insights. So that's all to give you an idea of what Jobber can do. And if you're somebody who is starting a business, or if you have a business and you need more help managing the business, then Jobber might be the right solution for you. So go ahead and go to getjobber.com, start your free trial, and see if Jobber can work for your company. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.